morning everyone. Welcome to English class. We have learned action words, that is doing words, no? Now I will do some actions now. You tell me what are those actions. If you know the spellings, you have to repeat with spellings. Okay. Laughing, good. Crying, very good. Eating, very good. Sleeping, good. Reading, okay. These are action words. So from these, already we have learned with spellings, no? From these words, we have one activity. Fill in the blanks with doing words. Look at these pictures. By seeing these pictures, we have to read this and fill this blank. Okay? First try to read this one. R-I-T-A, Rita. I-S-E-S, dash, W-I-T-H, with H-E-R, her, D-O-L-L, doll. Rita is dash with her doll. What is Rita doing? Is she writing or playing? Here we have two options. Read the options first. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. What is Rita doing? Is she writing or playing with the doll? Playing. So which one is correct? Playing. So underline this, write this, it is blank. Okay? Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Spelling is there here only. See here and write here. Okay? Rita is, repeat. Rita is playing with her doll. What is Rita doing? Rita is playing with her doll. Okay. Now look at the second one. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. I-S is dash. What is Rahul doing? Read the options. Two options are there. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Laughing. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. What is Rahul doing? Is he laughing or crying? Laughing. So, which one is laughing? This one. So, write, underline this and write here. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Laughing. Rahul is laughing. Good. Next. Sheena is dash a burger. Sheena is dash a burger. What is there in her hand? A burger is there. Okay. So, is she eating or drinking? Eating. So, underline. Read these two options. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. So, which one is correct? Eating. Sheena is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Sheena is eating a burger. Now look here. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First read the sentence. Afterwards, we have to fill it with suitable word. Here we have two options. Okay? I dash am is singing. Which one is correct? When it is starting with I, what we have to write? Is or am? Am. I am. Okay? I am. Underline this and write here. I am singing. Okay? I am singing. When it comes I, you have to write am. Okay. Second one. She dash or is reading. She means only one girl. So one girl means we have to use is. She is reading. Write this is here. She When they means so many people. So we have to use are. They are playing. A-R-E-R. They are playing. Next, he. He means what I told you. She means only one person. He means also only one person. So he is sleeping. Yes, is. He is sleeping. He is. She is. I am. They are. I dash are working. Now you tell me which one is the correct word, am or are. Here what is the letter? I. So what we have to write? Am. I am working. Okay. Try to read the sentences slowly. Okay. Then fill with suitable words. Am, is, are. You practice in your daily routine also. They are playing. He is singing. She is sitting. Like that you have to use those sentences. Okay, practice this. Thank you. Welcome to GK class. In this class we are learning a new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Good habits. Are you all following good habits? Getting up early, sleeping early. At what time all are sleeping? Very late. No. How? When you have to go to sleep? Early. We have one saying, no? Early to bed, early to rise. Okay. When we go to sleep early, we can get up early. When we get up early, we can do so many things. We can save more time. We can do the exercises. We can do a lot of work. We can read. We can learn so many things. If we get up late, everything will be late. Eating breakfast late, eating lunch late, again sleeping late. So what we have to do? We have to maintain our daily routine. Okay? We have to fix particular time for each and every work. Okay? So first thing what you have to do? Go to bed early. Okay, then next day we can get up early. So when we get up early, what we have to do? After getting up, what you will do? Brushing your teeth. How many times we have to brush our teeth? 3 times? 4 times? 2 times is enough. When we have to brush our teeth? In the morning and before going to bed in the evening. How many times? 2 times we have to brush our teeth. Okay, after that, drink your milk, your cup of milk. Don't avoid milk. Okay, we have to drink milk. And next, have a bath and get ready for the class. Okay, in time. After that, you have to do your work and keep all your things in proper places. Don't scatter pencil here, eraser here and toys there. So your room will be messy. How you have to keep your things after playing? You have to keep all the toys in one place. If any dust is there, any papers are there, you have to throw it in the dustbin. Okay. So this is how you have to keep your room clean. After that, you have to help your parents in small things. Okay. Next, while maintaining your body, what you have to do? Cut your nails. Some children, they bite their nails. That is very bad habit. And some children, they won't allow their parents to cut the nails. But you have to trim your nails regularly. Okay. Otherwise, dust will form here and it will go into your stomach and it causes diseases. So, we have to trim our nails regularly. Okay. have our dinner. Mother will prepare delicious food for us. But what you will do? I don't like this curry. I don't want it. You always want junk food. But avoid eating junk food. You have to eat fruits and vegetables. And we need to drink lot of water also. This is summer, so you have to sip water. Don't drink water, 1 liter water at a time. You have to sip small quantities of water at regular intervals. That is very good habit. Okay. Next, when you go out in the evening after lunch, are you all sleeping? Your kids know, so kids need to sleep in the afternoon. Okay. After that, after getting up, you want to go out and play. While playing, you have to be friendly with all your friends. Don't fight with your friends. In the playground, where we have to play? At home, inside our home. Inside we can play indoor games like chess, carom, ludo. Outdoor games, football, cricket. All these things we can play outside. While playing, how you have to be? Be friendly with all friends. Okay. And next, after coming from play, we have to wash our hands and legs. Okay. With hand wash, we have to wash our hands and legs properly. After that, again, wear clean clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Okay. Don't wear torn clothes. Okay. We have to wear clean clothes and we have to look smart, no? Okay. So these are the good habits we have to follow from morning to evening. Okay. Are you all following this? You are very good children. Good. Okay. Now look at the board. We have some words from this lesson. Repeat after. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. F-O-O-D. Food. G-O-O-D. Good. Play games. P-L-A-Y. Play. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Play games. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Wake up. W-A-K-E. Wake. U-P. Up. Wake up. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Write these words neatly in your notebooks. Now look at the board. I have answers. I will read the question. Learn these answers orally. Mention a few good habits. Brush your teeth twice a day. Have a bath every day. Eat good food. Second question. What should you do before and after eating? Wash your hands before and after eating. Where should we play? We should play in the playground. What type of clothes should we wear? We should wear neat and fitting clothes. Fifth question. When should we brush our teeth? We should brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed. These are the question answers. Learn the question answers. Follow good habits. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class.
Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is Indian currency. Indian currency means money, our money. Okay? Indian currency. For example, if you want to buy anything, a small thing or big thing. If you want to buy small thing like biscuit, chocolate or lace, we need coins. Okay? If you want to buy a dress or toys or anything, if you want to buy cycle, we need big note. Okay? Currencies are in two types, coins and notes. Okay? See here. This is 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Notes. Come on, look here. This is 5 rupees, 20 rupees and 100 rupees, 500 rupees. These are notes, okay? These are coins. Observe. These are coins and these are notes. Now I will show you real money, okay? Look here. Look here. These are coins. This is 1 rupee coin, okay? And this is 2 rupees coin. And now this is 5 rupees coin. Okay? Now this one 10 rupees coin. Observe at home. You ask your mother to show like this coins. Okay? Now we will see notes. These are real money. This is 20 rupees note. Okay? This is 20 rupees note. And next one. Come on, tell me which note is this? This is 50 rupees. Okay, this is 50 rupees. Now look here. This one. This is 100 rupees. Look here. 100, 100. This is 100 rupees note. And now this one. This is 500 rupees note. With this we can buy toys and you can buy your dress also. Okay? This is a big note. Okay, children? In this, now we are going to learn matching. Okay? Okay, children, look here. Now we will practice matching. Here it is in number names and here it is in rupees. Okay? First you read this. 35, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, F-I-V-E, 5, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, 35 rupees. You have to search here. Where is 35 rupees? This one? No. This is rupees 35. So match it. Okay? Now next one, O-N-E, 1, R-U-P-E-E, rupee, 1 rupee. Where is 1 rupee? This is 1 rupee. Okay? Come on, draw a line and match it. Now next one, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, 50 rupees. Where is 50 rupees? This is 50 rupees? No, look here. This is 500. 500. This is 500. This is 50 rupees. Okay? Come on, draw a line and match it. Now next, O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, 100 rupees. Where is 100 rupees? This is 100. 100, 100. Okay, match it. Now next, F-I-V-E, 5, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, 500 rupees. This is 500 rupees. Come on, match it. Okay, once we will recap. Indian currency. Indian currency means money.
Okay, what is the symbol of money? The symbol of money is this. Okay? Okay? Okay, children, the symbol of rupee is this one. Okay? Okay, children, practice this and observe the notes and coins at home. Okay? Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Telugu class. ఈ రోజు మన తెలుగు క్లాస్ లో ఆఫ్టర్ లెటర్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ లెటర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? తర్వాత వచ్చు అక్షరము. ఏమిటి ఆఫ్టర్ లెటర్ అంటే? తర్వాత వచ్చు అక్షరము. ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. నేను ఇక్కడ కొన్ని లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఈ లెటర్ తర్వాత వచ్చు అక్షరాన్ని మీరు రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? రాద్దామా మనము? ఓకే, స్టార్ట్. ఫస్ట్ మనము లెటర్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. అక్షరం. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ లెటర్? ఆ పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే అమ్. ఆఫ్టర్ లెటర్ ఏంటి? తర్వాత వచ్చు అక్షరం ఆహా. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ లెటర్? ఈ. ఏంటి? ఈ. ఏంటి? సెకండ్ ఈ. నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత వచ్చే అక్షరం ఉ. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ ఏ. ఎలుక. ఏనుగు. తర్వాత వచ్చే అక్షరం ఏ. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ కమలము. తర్వాత వచ్చే అక్షరం ఖడ్గము. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ టపకాయ. కంఠము. వెరీ గుడ్. కంఠము. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యజ్ఞము. రవి. చూడండి, రాకి ఠాకి డిఫరెన్స్. ఠా అంటే మిడిల్ లో డాట్ ఉంటుంది, రాకి ఉండదు. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ తా తర్వాత వచ్చు అక్షరం థ. తాతల థ. రథము. రథము. ఓకే, నౌ లాస్ట్ వన్ భటుడు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మంట. ఓకే, వన్స్ రిపీట్ చిల్డ్రన్. అహా. ఈ ఉ. ఏ ఐ. ఖ. ఠ. ర. థ. ఇవి అన్ని రాసిన తర్వాత మనం ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ నేను ఇందాక ఏమన్నాను మీరు ఎవ్వరు చెప్పలేదు నాకు. చూడండి, ఏ ఐ అన్నాను కాదు కదా. ఏ ఎలుక. ఏనుగు. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ప్రాక్టీస్ వెల్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn after letters. We have practiced missing letters. Today we will practice after letters. After letters means what? After letters means what? Which comes after. Look here, I have given you some letters. You have to write after letters. Okay? First you identify the letter and read that letter. What is this letter? Come on, tell. Which letter is this? This is letter Ka. After Ka? Good. Kha. Kha se Khargosh. Kha. Ka. Kha. Next letter is Ta. Ta se Talwar. Which letter will come? Yes, Tha. Tha se Thali. Okay? Now next letter is Dha. Dha. Anna. Yes, good. I think you are practicing. Now next one is Ba. Ba se Bakri. Bha. Bha se Bhavan. Good. Now which letter is this? Come on, identify the letter. Yes, good. This is letter Ra. Next, La. Come on, right here, La. Now next letter is Sa. Sa se sapera. Next, Ha. Yes, Ha se Hal. Now next one is Tra. Tra se Trishul. Good. Now, this letter is Cha. Cha se Chammach. Next letter Cha. Cha se Chhatri. Okay, once revise. Ka, Kha, Ta, Tha, Dha, Ana, Ba, Bha, Ra, La, Sa, Ha, Tra, Gna, Cha, Cha. Like this you have to practice. After writing, once you have to check whether you have written correct or no. Okay children, practice well and write neatly in your notebooks. Okay, see you in next class.